Hey guys, this is Josh Jones from Final Expense Entourage. Today I want to share with you the keys to becoming a high-producing final expense agent without having to work 60 to 80 hours a week and not being able to spend any time with your friends or family. Now look, I've been in the final expense industry for over 7 years, and every year since I was properly trained and had enough people to see, I've written anywhere between $150,000 and $200,000 a year in final expense premium. Now look, we know how it is. For too long, marketers have pitched this dream that you'll start making over $100,000 a year right off the bat and be able to grow a $1 million agency in a very short time. Now, this is possible, but what you've already found is that you are not getting access to the right tools, training, commission levels, and high converting leads that are necessary for your success. If you're missing even one piece of the puzzle, you will fail. And let's be honest, with most agencies, over 90% of the agents fail. So that's why Brandon and I created Final Expense Entourage. We wanted to train agents in a proven turnkey system that will guarantee results. I can guarantee that if you will follow our system, you will not only succeed, but have a lifestyle second to none. As you listen to this video, you will hear all that we have to offer to help you build the business that you've only dreamed about. Here at the Final Expense Entourage, we have over 15 years of combined experience in the field selling final expense at a very high level. My partner, Brandon Smotherman, is our main field trainer. He has consistently written $400,000 a year in final expense production. We have partnered up with the right IMO and the right carriers to take much of the administrative burden off your shoulders and help guarantee your success. Now, independent final expense carriers are a dime a dozen, and we have too many to list, but we will help create you a lineup of 3 to 4 carriers that will help offer the best coverage for your clients at the highest commission possible for you. Now, picking the carriers is the easy part. Now comes the real keys to becoming a successful final expense agent. First off, you need leads. In the final expense market, direct mail is king. Now, we have other lead options as well, but the key is to having fresh direct mail leads on a weekly basis. We will give you fresh, high converting life insurance direct mail leads that are exclusive to you. They are never resold. We will give you a territory that is exclusive to you. Now, leads are the lifeblood of our business. It doesn't matter how great your carriers are or how high your commissions are if you don't have anybody to see. Now, the great thing is we offer high commissions right off the bat. We feel like you're doing the heavy lifting out in the field, so you deserve the lion's share of the commissions. Our agents start out well north of 100% commission levels. And we're not using that fuzzy math like many of the IMOs out there do. When we say you're at 115%, you get 115%. And you get paid fast within 24 to 48 hours. You're completely 100% vested day one. All your pay-throughs and renewals belong to you. Now, we believe we have the best final expense opportunity on the market, but if you come aboard and disagree, we won't hold your contracts hostage for 6 months. You are completely independent. You're free to go at any time. Now, high commissions and leads won't do you any good if you don't have proper training. That's where our agency really shines. You are going to be trained personally by one of the best of the best. Again, we have a proven turnkey training platform that you'll get plugged into day one. We will teach you how to underwrite the products, quote the carriers, and most importantly, how to work your leads. We'll teach you everything: how to set appointments, how to door knock, how to present in the home, how to overcome objections, and best of all, how to close the sale. We have created a system that is one of a kind. You will learn how to conquer this industry step by step by a $400,000 a year producer. And you will continually receive training and support on a daily basis. We have 4 training calls that we do a week, and these are rah-rah calls talking about how great some other agent's doing. These are meat and potato calls teaching you how to master the final expense market. You'll have access to our group chat with over 200 agents. This is really an awesome tool. If you're in a house and you have an underwriting question or any type of question, you can post in the group chat, and within a minute or two, agents from all over the country are jumping in to help you out. Now, these folks aren't making any money off of you. That's just the type of atmosphere that we have. We also have a one-of-a-kind Medicare cross-selling opportunity. What we have found is that final expense leads are the best Medicare leads on the market. Not only can you go out there and sell $4,000 or more a week in final expense, but you can create a long-lasting residual income by adding Medicare to your book. And the great thing is, it won't cost you any extra money. You are already in front of these prospects, and we'll teach you how to add Medicare to your business compliantly and quickly. Now, maybe you have dreams of starting your own final expense agency one day. Let me start off by saying that we don't push everyone out there to build an agency. We're not like most final expense agencies that have turned into multi-level marketing schemes. But after you've mastered the final expense market, if you decide you want to build an agency, hands down, we have the best platform to help you grow your agency, all while you're still in the field selling. We have multiple automated processes in place to send you high-quality recruits that are interested in our final expense opportunity on a daily basis. So no matter what it is that you're lacking, whether you need higher commissions, consistent lead flow, training, support, or you want access to our agency builder platform, we offer the whole package to help you reach your goals. So click on the link below and you can schedule a time to chat with us, and we'll show you how you can grow your final expense business the right way.